on purpose, because otherwise it feels like a special case.
It is a special case.
And are we using this special case because we are talking about just whole numbers? I don't understand why we're talking about a special case instead of just saying.
Do people understand what Amy is saying? Okay.
I was going to ask a similar question in presenting to younger children to start to get that concept that if you recognized that 45 divided by 9, that there was a multiple of 9, that there was a multiplier that would make 9 go into 45 equally, then you could tell the kids, so therefore when they're studying
positive division.
That's division.
Positive, not only that, you were saying you're positive.
What I'm saying is then if you said you've got 47 divided by 9, you could instantly tell that it is not a multiple of 9 and therefore it must be division with remainder?
I don't think you have to say, in fact, I don't think you're entitled to say you can instantaneously tell. Whether you can instantaneously tell something is a multiple or something else, that is irrelevant.
With the multiplication facts you could, at that level.
But you don't make that a requirement. What I'm saying
Then
is
how are they going to distinguish the way
I give you only 2 numbers and I say, what can you do with those 2 numbers? The only, in terms of division, then the only choice you have is what?
Division with remainder.
Yes, because you don't know, you have no guarantee ahead of time that positive division is possible. In that case, you do division with remainder, out comes remainder 0. And you say, oh, had I known better, I would have just said this is positive division, or this is measurement division. Retroactive.
Retroactive. Okay. Now we know. Okay.
It happens in real life, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, of course, yeah.
Right? So that's what it is. It's exactly what it is.